Welcome to Z Tech. In this video, I am going to show how you can download and install Typing Master latest version. So let's start it. Firstly, open any browser that you have by double clicking it and write Typing Master and click enter. Press enter. Then you can open the first link of Typing Master. It will provide us good quality of software. Then you can click on free download, the option in a green button. Here you can see, you can also learn about it. Then you can click on free download. As the free download open, you can see we are going to download latest version Typing Master 11. Double your speed. You can watch tutorial on YouTube. Then you can simply click on download now. Your download file info here, it contains 10 MB. Simple. You can also select here the path where you can want your file to be downloaded. Simple click on start download. Your downloading will be start. It will take 5 to 10 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, not much than 2 to 3 minutes to download your file. My net is quite slow because my other family members are using it. Then you can simply click on open folder. Here our Typing Master 11 version 11 is downloaded, latest version. You can simply now we can install it by clicking run as administrator. It is latest version of Typing Master. Here you can click on install for me only, and then you can select desired language, which language you are going to do typing. I will do in English and I prefer you to type in English. Click OK. Then you can click on next. Here you can click on next simply. Then you can also read the license agreement or the terms and condition, but I think they all are satisfied. But then click I accept this agreement and move on to next. Then here you can check your browser where it is going to be saved your program after installing. It is installing in your C drive. It's okay. Then click on next. Here is the two options, the typing meter widget and study material lessons by editor. Both typing meter is used to check your typing speed, and this material is initially course, so I need both. I check it and press next and then install. This is what my Typing Master is installing. It take approximately 2 minutes to install. Then you can simply click on finished, and after that you can cross all the tabs, and then you can simply refresh your computer and open Typing Master 11. As I tell you, it is initial, so I also selected the course. Here you can enter your name. I will enter my channel name Z Tech. Please subscribe my channel if you want more videos like that. Here you can I will take class studying. It will tell me how I have to code and how I will increase my typing speed. And here you can learn basic keys and about keyboard. Here is typing test. Here you can take your test. You can write the whole paragraph that have given as same as it is in 10 minutes. It is test. It is very appropriate. Now I will also tell you about typing meters. And typing meter is how you can increase practice. This is practice, and it will be okay. Then you can select which keyword you are going to be okay. I will select it SW space, like that. You can type your typing on your Typing Master. It is approximately 1 minute field that it will calculate how much you can type. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my video and support my channel by subscribing the button, clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.